fireworks, they were just like some leftover ones. They were just the ones that they just thought, we'll just chuck them in the bonfire, they can go off later on. You wait until the fireworks later on. They're going to blow your mind, they're incredible. They are every year. This year's no different. It's Oldham's Big Bang 2018 with Revolution 96.2 and Oldham Council. How was that? The fire-breathing dragon thing. That was cool, wasn't it? And the bat.
And Bethany all the way.
Where have they gone now? They're going up there. They're being escorted off the premises. Shall we welcome our next act to the stage? Are we okay right at the back? Can you see all right over there?
Yeah!
Just wait 10 minutes and the cheer will come. There we go. Right, okay, fine. God, it's packed, isn't it? I shall welcome you will welcome our next act to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome to the stage Juggling Inferno!